Let's see how to align a name on the margin in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's go ahead and see our margins. And you will see the margins right here on the ruler just above the page. And so this indicates where your text will end within the page. Now, let's say that we want to align a name or a certain block of text into our margins, whether that be at the leftmost or at the rightmost part of our page. And to do that, we can easily use the align text function of Microsoft Word, which you can find in the Home tab. So for example, let's go ahead and type in a name. We have John Doe. Now, what we can do if we want to align it to the left is simply click on this right here, the first option in the paragraph section, and that should align it onto the left margin. As you can see right here on the ruler, the text is aligned right there. And if we want to align it to the right part, simply click on this one right here, and that should align it to that part as well. Additionally, to make things easier, we can also use the keyboard shortcuts Control L for left and Control R for right, just like that. And that is how you can align text to the margin in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.